It's 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm just getting done doing this install for my sister and her husband. They have a little Costa Rican coffee shop in Mesa. I did a video several months ago of a backyard mill, and I ended up picking up two like 9.5 foot sections of mesquite, like 3 inches thick, and two of them. So I did about approximately an 18-foot floating countertop on a windowsill at my sister's coffee shop. So real quick, just show you the build process on this, and I think you'll enjoy it. It'll be quick. Yeah, I'll give you a quick little tour of the coffee shop, and it's pretty cool. Yeah, I've been down here for like the whole week doing a few shows and helping with this install, helping with this. So it's been quite productive. Their little coffee shop started off as a mobile. This is their second one. This is an old, I don't know, 50s or something. Like, I don't even know what it is, like a laundry truck, but
Marley's a 1963 Ford Vanette, and it was an old Rainbow bread delivery truck, and we turned it into our coffee truck.
This is Marley, unit number 2. This thing is really sweet. Check this out. Yeah, look at that.
You can see the Rainbow bread. And then it was also built by Ford Bros back in the day, San Angelo, Texas.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, if it wasn't 4 o'clock in the morning, I'd have Lobo fire it up for you. What kind of drivetrain does it have?
We got a small block 350 with the 700R transmission, so automatic with overdrive.
Wow, I bet this thing just sound just
yeah, we got
purrs.
some power. You want to check it out?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Isn't this something? But yeah, this is a really cool old school van. and they lifted the roof so you could stand in it. Full on espresso coffee truck. And it's Pura Vida Grinds. But yeah, this is where I've been putting in a lot of my time. And they started off with this one right here. This was really cool. This used to be like a little Starbucks pull behind. This is how they got started. And yeah, it's cool. Awesome, thanks.
Yeah, here I can put a lid on it.
Yeah. All right, here we go. This is approximately 3 inches thick. And I've got it mounted here to the wall. One there. Notch cutted it here. Gave them room for cables here. This is where the two come together. And these are brother and sister. They came off the same tree right down the middle of it. And this was just some brackets I had. This was from the deconstruction, the armory deconstruction in my van. Just repurposed them. I'm going to change it. I think I'm going to go au natural and do a nice natural piece here. But yeah, Mesquite, and I used tung oil on it. The red is from the lights here. But yeah. So anyway, that's what I've been up to. So what kind of coffee do we have here?
So this is a special reserve, top tier. That we get from Terrazu region in Costa Rica. We work with a co-op in Costa Rica, which they have over 1,000 different farmers that they work with. And this is like their top tier special reserve, which is very, very delicious.
All right.
And then we have this bag here, which this is a black honey. And this is from a farmer directly, a friend of ours. Him and his family grow this, and this is one of our favorites to do pour overs or French press or whatnot. And this is a black honey, and it's just the way that it's processed with the cherry on it, and then it just gives it more of a flavor than you would get from a regular coffee.
All right. I'm looking forward to trying it out. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoy the counter.
Yeah, love
it. It was my pleasure to help you guys out and family. On the next video, well, maybe an upcoming video, I got to get to the flooring on my van. Isn't this something?